The fourth pillar of Islam, that is Saum, that is Ramadan, that every lunar year in the month of Ramadan, you have to fast, abstain from food, drink, and sex from dawn to sunset. It's an overhauling of your body once a year. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse 183 that Allah has prescribed for you fasting as He had prescribed to people before you, so that you may learn self-restraint, so that you may learn piety, so that you may learn taqwa. So the main purpose of fasting, the fourth pillar of Islam, it's not for dieting. The main reason is taqwa, to increase the taqwa. And other reasons are there, but the main number one reason is taqwa. By the time your health will increase, everything, but that is secondary. That's the dessert, not the main dish. The main dish of fasting is increasing taqwa. I have a series of Ramadan A Date with Dr. Zakir. It's a long series of 62 episodes of half an hour, 64 episodes, 32 hours series. It gives the details. How does Tawheed, only during Ramadan, it implicates your life. What are the implications? It's for 32 hours, series of 32 hours. Ramadan A Date with Dr. Zakir.